Ever wish you could get your money back on a TapTap purchase? Let's dive into how to snag a refund in TapTap, step by step. First, open the TapTap app and tap on your profile icon located at the bottom of the screen. Next, go to your order history. This is where you can see everything you've bought on TapTap. Locate the purchase you want a refund for by scrolling through your recent orders, and select it to view the purchase details. Double-check the order number and purchase amount. Within the order details, look for a button or a link labeled Request or Refund or something similar. Click this option to begin the refund process. TapTap will typically ask for a reason for the refund. Choose one that best describes why you want the money back, such as accidental purchase or game not as described. You might need to provide a more detailed description of the issue. Some refunds may also require supplying supporting documents such as screenshots. This is where you give the specifics and add any other information as the form dictates. After submitting your forms, you'll see a confirmation message noting the refund status and how long the process will take. Usually, it takes a few days for these issues to be resolved. Review the refund policies directly on your TapTap app. This way, you'll be up to date with any new refund process changes. Good luck securing your refund, and be sure to like and subscribe.